What's up, man?
Oh, dude, I'm standing right behind you.
Huh? What's the matter, dude?
I'm really nervous. That super hot girl Allison I invited, she showed up.
Oh, yeah. Well, just don't worry about her. Just be yourself. You're Fridgeboy. She'll love you.
Do I smell kind of funky to you? It smells like maybe something's rotten in there.
Yeah, you smell a little weird. Let's see.
Dude, you didn't wash your hands.
Just chill out, dude.
Chill out. You should be good at that.
What is it?
Dude, this expired in November.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Why didn't
nasty.
anyone take that out of me?
Oh, gross. Oh, man.
Stinks.
Oh, yeah. Tastes awful. Oh, dude, just tell her a joke. Tell her that chill out joke. She'll love that too. Oh, remember, don't sit down. You know, it gets all linty behind you and stuff when you sit.
Right. Man.
Otherwise, good luck.
Advice.
Okay.
Thanks, Fred.
You like have Allison?
Yeah. Hey, Allison.
Oh, hey, Fridgeboy. I know you knew Bill.
Oh, yeah, we're on the same touch football league.
Oh, you can play touch football? I'm sorry. That was really rude.
No, it's fine. I mean, of course I can play. I'm a normal person, just like, Bill. Only problem is I can't really tackle anyone, because, otherwise I might knock them out cold.
I get it. So what have you been up to?
I've been trying out this website, Google, a lot. It's really...
Thanks, man.
I was just asking what you've been up to recently.
Oh, it's actually really...
Oh, sorry. Meant to get crushed.
So,
Hey, Fridgeboy, hi. You mind?
no.
Thanks. Kristen, did you want a Fat Tire or Sam Adams?
Which has less calories?
I don't know. Hold on. It doesn't say. The Sam Adams bottle's really heavy.
Isn't it from Boston? I bet they have heavy glass there. I'll take a Fat Tire.
Okay. And then I will take a Sammy. Thanks, Fridgeboy.
Yeah, sure, no worries. Have a good night.
Bye.
You sure are in demand, aren't you?
Yeah. Actually, would you want to go in the kitchen? Usually when there's another fridge around, I'm kind of bothered less.
Sure.
I'm sorry, that wasn't a response. That just happens sometimes. It's automatic. I can't control it.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
Okay. I hate parties.